Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Flora, local and long distance movers near me. Our team of movers make sure you have the right options for your needs, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When you need to relocate one state over or several states away, you need help. Our movers will give you the help you need with the best possible experience and take the stress out of moving day. Our team of movers will make sure you have the right options for your needs, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. When you need to relocate one state over or several states away, you need help. Our movers will give you the best experience possible and take the stress out of moving day. You don't have to worry about it. Let us take care of the actual moving of your things. Even a shorter move can benefit from an Illinois moving company. You might not realize the time-saving and energy-saving benefits you'll get from hiring professional movers. If you think about all the work your move will require, however, you'll likely realize that hiring movers can help. 3 Movers offers the right team for your move. We do all the heavy lifting for you, so you don't have to worry about injury. Plus, you'll save time and energy on your local move. We can get you settled into your new location much sooner. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Flora moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.